Do you wake up feeling foggy, distracted, or mentally drained before your day even begins? What if just 5 simple habits could rewire your brain, boost your focus, and skyrocket your productivity before 9 a.m.? Stick around, because you're about to hack your brain like never before. Welcome back to Health and Fitness, your go-to place for beginner-friendly biohacking. Today, we're diving into the top morning brain hacks backed by science and loved by high performers worldwide. Ready to unlock your mind? Habit 1, the cold splash. A quick cold splash or a 30-second cold shower can increase norepinephrine by up to 200%. That's your alertness hormone kicking in fast. Why do Navy SEALs do this? How can a little discomfort unlock big energy gains? Try it for 3 days and see the shift in clarity. Habit 2, get 5-10 minutes of natural sunlight. Did you know your circadian rhythm is synced by light? Morning sunlight boosts serotonin, which later converts into melatonin for better sleep. No sun? Use a light therapy lamp. Would you believe this one habit can help fix brain fog and insomnia? Hydration with minerals. Hydrate your brain strategically. The brain is 75% water. Overnight, you lose hydration. But here's the twist. Plain water isn't enough. Add a pinch of Himalayan salt or electrolytes. Why do elite athletes do this every morning? Because a hydrated brain equals a high-performing brain. Brain dump journaling. Before checking your phone, write down what you're thinking, what's stressing you, one thing you're grateful for. Ever feel like your brain is overloaded when you wake up? This clears the cache so you can focus on what matters. Habit 5, move for just 5 minutes. Move your body, wake your brain. You don't need a full workout. Just 5 minutes of movement boosts blood flow, dopamine, and mental sharpness. Would you believe your brain wakes up 30% faster with light exercise than with caffeine? Try it tomorrow, no excuses. So which of these habits will you try first? Cold splash or journaling? Sunlight or smart hydration? Comment below and let's hack our mornings together. And hey, if you found even one useful tip here, smash that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly biohacks every week. This is Malik Saad from Health and Fitness, and remember, you don't need more willpower.